Hi everybody, this is Christine with the Crafters Outpost. I'm finally finished with my travel book for the 127 sale, which is this weekend, and just want to show you what I did. So I use this twine as a closure, and I'll show you the inside first, then we'll go over the outside. Here's all the tags that I made. And I did download those. I think it was a free kit from Gia. I think is her name, G-I. I don't know. I download so many things, and then I design my own stuff too. So I can't remember everybody, but I think it's Gia. G-I. She gives away Friday freebies every Friday. So I used those tags. And then I did a little round travel thing. And these are the screen inserts that you get, like blinds and screens on windows that I'd gotten at a estate sale one year. And then I make my pockets with those. And they're pretty sturdy. And so all I did is put my closure on the inside. I sewed around the whole book. I decorated a few pages. So here we go. One of my decorative envelopes. And this is just a flip through real quick of the pages. I didn't decorate a whole lot. I just wanted to keep it simple. It still took me many hours to make it, but you know how it goes. You think you're finished and then you just keep going. These have the tea-dyed papers in there. Some of my stamps that I used and decorated. And then I did some sewing. And I only did one signature. This was that paper that I did with all the flowers that I had outside that turned this lime green. And I just really love it. It's beautiful. And this decorative tea-dye paper that I had put it over top of a pan of some sort and got that indentation. I really like it. Sorry for the shading, but my lighting in here, it's getting dark outside, so I don't have window light. And then I went on my computer and I made this little photo, which is on photo paper actually, if you can see how glossy. And I created this design for the 127 sale that says, "One man's junk is another man's treasure." And then we stop at every yard sale. You get the 127. And then the date is actually this weekend. I got a glare going on here. Which was August 3rd through the 6th, 2023. The world's longest yard sale. If you don't know what the 127 sale is, it goes through many states. The first week of August every year. It's been going on for years and years and years. And then I put this little key. Actually, I'd gotten a bunch of keys down at the 127 sale this past week. So I'm going to use them more in my travel journals. Alright, so this is the book. And then I had sewn around here. I put the corners on, the decorative corners here, on all 4 pages that you can see. I added this on the front. It says it's time to explore. I added this key to the top as some decorative stuff. And then I sewn in the pages. I thought it turned out really cute. So that's one. I have another one I'm trying to get ready to finish, hopefully by Saturday. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. We got a lot going on right now. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And please like and subscribe and share my channel. I would appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.